सो अब आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से आगे शुरू करते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज प्लस 1 बाई एक्स रेज पावर एक्स प्लस एक्स रेज पावर 1 प्लस 1 बाई एक्स. ठीक है. सो दिस विल बी अगेन फंक्शन रेज पावर फंक्शन रेज पावर फंक्शन. So if we write let y is equal to this thing, then अगर इसमें इस पर लिखो y is equal to ये फंक्शन अगर इस थावकात बराबर u बराबर and this function is equal to v, then we will be having y is equal to u plus v, where what is value of u is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to power x, and v is equal to x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x. ठीक है. Now we differentiate with respect to x, so that means we will have dy divided by dx. What will be that? Du divided by dx plus dv divided by dx. ठीक है. So this is equation first. Now we have to find du divided by dx and dv divided by dx. So now u is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to power x. So logarithmic differentiation, so we'll be taking up log both sides. So it will be log of u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x raised to power x. ठीक है. मगर power e bitcoin, so it will be x log of x plus 1 by x. ठीक है. x log of 1 plus x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So it will be us क्या है 1 divided by u into du divided by dx, and यहाँ पर क्या गया प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई. ठीक है. फर्स्ट फंक्शन यल यानी x के सेल, सेकंड फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन. मगर डिफरेंशिएशन ब्रो हेको थोड़ा बहुत बे सिंप्लीफाई कर. ठीक है. यह हेको गोडने सिंप्लीफाई कर. So we can write this as x into log of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 divided by x, and then we can write this as x into, so this will be log of m divided by n. What is that? Equal to log m minus log n. So it will be log of x square plus 1 minus log of x. Him x से हेको सो further multiply कर. So it will be x into log of x square plus 1 minus x और इस log x का multiply. So it is x log of x. वह कुछ differentiation कर. Now इस चीज़ की differentiation क्या होगी? x का सेल. ठीक है. या तो like product rule. So x log of 1 plus x square plus 1. So it will be x first function here log of x square plus 1. आ क्या ही 1 divided by x square plus 1. ठीक है. x square plus 1 as guys पर internal differentiation. x square is क्या ही 2x. So it will be 2x 1 से 0. ठीक है. So first function into derivative of second function plus guys alternate. ठीक है. log of x square plus 1 into differentiation of x. x differentiation क्या है 1. ठीक है. minus x log x differentiation अगर तो याद आए x log x differentiation 1 plus log x. x log x differentiation 1 plus log x. So it is 1 plus log x, but then we'll have 1 minus log of x. ठीक है. x कैसे l log x differentiation 1 by x to be 1 by x guys cancel plus log x कैसे l x differentiation 1. So it will be 1 plus log of x minus which is nebrakain multiply. So it will be 1 minus log of x. थोड़ा अगर simplify करूँ, so it will be x into 2, so it will be 2x square divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 minus 1 minus log of x यह को भी या से combine कर. So it will be again 2x square divided by x square plus 1. ठीक है. अब इसको फिर से log of m minus log of n. What will be that? It will be plus log of x square plus 1 divided by x. समझ आवा ये log of x square plus 1 minus log of x, log m minus log n. So it will be log m by n. Because minus 1 as it is. Now this will be 1 by u du by dx. ये u गश ना वो होर shift, so therefore we will have du divided by dx is equal to u times what is value of u? U का value x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x raised to power x into gashes this whole thing. So it is 2x square divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So this is value of du divided by dx. Now we have to find dv divided by dx ठीक है. So dv divided by dx, so value of v, what is value of v? x raised to power 1 plus x ठीक है. So v is equal to डायरेक्ट करो v log of v is equal to ठीक है log of v is equal to इस चीज़ की डिफरेंशिएशन 1 plus 1 by x कैसे अब इसका मल्टीप्लाई. So it will be 1 plus 1 by x into क्या ही log of x into log of x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. So we'll have 1 divided by v into dv divided by dx. 1 divided by v into dv divided by dx ठीक है. फर्स्ट फंक्शन गैसे अब यानी 1 plus 1 by x गैसे into log of x की differentiation 1 divided by x plus log of x as it is 1 plus 1 by x is differentiation 1 is 0 1 by x square is minus 1 by x square 1 by x is क्या differentiation minus 1 by x square ठीक है. So simplifying this a bit further, so 1 by x अगर यहाँ से करो multiply x plus 1 divided by x because it's 1 by x multiply. So it will be x square plus 1 divided by x square. X plus 1 x into 1 is na x into 1 x plus 1 whole divided by x never conscious 1 by x na x square plus 1 divided by x square. X plus 1 yeah you guys na l 1 is differentiation 0 1 by x is differentiation minus 1 by x square 1 by x is differentiation minus 1 by x square. देखिए 1 by x differentiation of 1 by x, what is that equal to x raised to power minus 1. So this will be minus 1 x raised to power minus 1. So minus 1 x raised to power minus 2 which will be minus 1 divided by x raised to power 2 ठीक है. So generals मन आसान. So generals मन x raised to power minus n is differentiation आसान minus n divided by x raised to power n plus 1 minus n divided by x raised to power n plus 1. So x square plus 1 divided by x square फिर यहाँ minus 1 by x square अगर इस कॉमन करो minus 1 by x square छा ये छा x square ये आओ x square अगर कॉमन करो ऊपर क्या होगा x plus 1 बी क्या ही minus log of x. Now next dv divided by dx इमें वैल्यू क्या ही v करो इस होर शिफ्ट. So dv divided by dx किसके बराबर होगा. So it will be v times what is value of v x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x ठीक है into कैसे x square plus 1 minus log of x divided by x square ठीक है. So this is value of dv divided by dx. So इस रकम में value du divided by dx as well as dv divided by dx. So using value of dv divided by dx in this equation, so we will be able to find the value of dy divided by dx ठीक है. So next आपको इसमें सिर्फ du divided by dx and dv divided by dx का value replace करना है ठीक है. लिखिए. So question number 6 is done. Question number 7 बताइए कर पाओगे. Question number 8 question number 9 हिकवा करिए. Question number 10 हवा. So question number 10. So we have y is equal to x raised power cos of x raised to power x cos x plus x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 ठीक है. So again we will write let y is equal to let y is equal to u plus v, y is equal to u plus v, ठीक है, while u is equal to this thing and v is equal to this thing, ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए, so u is equal to x raised to power x cos of x, ठीक है, and v is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So again we'll write taking log both sides, so it will be log of u is equal to x cos of x into log of x, ठीक है, x cos of x log of x, log of m raised to power n is equal to n log m, ठीक है. सो ये हेको डायरेक्ट ये हेको log apply करित, although ये हेको without log to solve करित. So it will be log of u, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it will be 1 divided by u into du divided by dx, du divided by dx is equal to product rule like that, so it will be x cos of x, ठीक है, x cos of x का cell, log of x is क्या है 1 divided by x, ठीक है, plus log x का cell, log x का cell, x cos x is like product rule, differentiation मार differentiation is क्या लगे product rule, ठीक है, product rule उसमें first function यार x का cell, so minus sin x plus guys cos x is with respect to x1, ठीक है, so this is differentiation of x cos of x plus log of x. So now x and x will cancel out, so we'll be left with only cos of x, समझ आया वहाँ differentiation मार उस करने कोई, so plus log of x minus x sin of x ठीक है, plus cos of x into log of x, cos x and log x से multiply, so that means du divided by dx, what will be this equal to u times, ठीक है, u गस your shift to what is value of u, so it demo, so it will be x raised to power x cos of x plus into cos of x minus x sin x log of x plus cos of x log of x, ठीक है, cos of x log of x, so this is du divided by dx, ठीक है. Now we'll find dv divided by dx, so dv divided by dx, v is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, we can write taking log both sides, so it will be log of v is equal to so this will be log of m divided by n, which is log of x square plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1, so log v is now differentiating, log v is क्या है 1 by v into dv by dx, so it will be 1 divided by x square plus 1 is the internal differentiation, what will be that 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 1 फिर से, so this will be 2x, ठीक है, so this will be 2x cancel गश्ने की 2x divided by x square plus 1, यहाँ पे x square minus 1, ठीक है, so it will be dv divided by dx is equal to v वहाँ shift कीजिए, so this will be v times 2x divided by x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square minus 1, so this will be v, value of v is x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1 into 2x divided by x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by x square minus 1, ठीक है, this will be dv divided by dx. next up इसमें dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, यह मतलब वैल्यू, ठीक है, पद अगर हेक्यू सिंप्लीफाई करिए तो उसके बाद देन यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस, ठीक है, समझ आए वहाँ ITT हेक्यू थे, ठीक है, तो हेक्यू ITT थे, मगर अगर गए सिंप्लीफाई इन पद गए सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश करें ना, राइट डाउन. Find dy by dx of the function is given in exercise 12 to 15. Question number 12, 13, 14 to be 15 chase. They have the similar approach. So question number 12 chase one, find dy by dx when we have x raised to power y plus y raised to power x is equal to 1. ठीक है, इसकी मैं वैल्यू करूँ dy divided by dx. So this is again logarithmic, ठीक है, x raised power y raised power x, so this is the function raised power function type, ठीक है, so as such this will be the logarithmic logarithmic differentiation. So अगर इस पे लिखो or we can write this as u plus v is equal to 1. ठीक है, u plus v is equal to 1 where u is equal to, so where u is equal to x raised to power y and v is equal to y raised to power x. ठीक है, so u plus v is equal to 1, so this implies du divided by dx, du divided by dx plus dv divided by dx is equal to 0. ठीक है, differentiating both sides with respect to x, du by dx dv by dx is equal to 1. 1 is differentiation 0. So अब इसकी du by dx plus dv by dx को वैल्यू है करूँ. So what will be u is equal to x raised to power y. That means log of u is equal to y log x. ठीक है, so log of u is equal to y log x. That means differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it will be 1 divided by u into du divided by dx. du divided by dx is equal to product rule like है, so it will be y. ठीक है, log x क्या है 1 divided by x plus log of x y ऐसी dy by dx into dy by dx. और we can write this as du divided by dx is equal to v को वहाँ शिफ्ट कीजिए. what is value of u? u अगर इस ओर करो शिफ्ट, so it is u times, but what is u? x raised to power y into guys y divided by x plus dy by dx into log of x. अगर further simplify करो, so it will be x raised to power y. ठीक है, x raised to power y अगर इसे x खा लो ह्यूर, ठीक है, in that case it will be x raised to power -1. ठीक है, x raised power -1 into guesses y. ठीक है, x raised power y से यह टर्म से multiply at the same time यह टर्म से multiply. So it is plus x raised to power y into log of x into dy by dx. समझ आओ ये स्टेप. ये x raised इस ना 1 by x खोला ह्यूर, that means it's x raised to power -1. So this is x raised to power y -1 base is the same power and add, so it will be x raised to power y -1 into guesses y. x raised to power y -1 into y plus x raised to power y into log of x into dy by dx. So this is the simplification of du divided by dx. So now we will be simplifying dv divided by dx. So v का बराबर है y raised to power x. Again taking log both sides. So log of v is equal to x log of y. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, so it will be 1 by v into dv divided by dx. 1 by v into dv divided by dx. x as it is, log y is क्या है 1 by y into dy by dx. 1 by y into dy by dx plus log y as it is into y into x. x is differentiation 1. समझ आया वहाँ. So this will be dv divided by dx. अब v को वहाँ शिफ्ट कीजिए. what is value of v? फर्स्ट अगर इसे थोड़ा बहुत भी करो सिंप्लीफाई, so it will be x divided by y into dy by dx plus log of y. अब जाके v से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. so what is value of v? that is y raised to power x. So again y raised to power x, b अगर इसे y खा लो b here, it will be y raised to power -1. So it will be y raised to power x -1 into guesses x into dy divided by dx is equal to plus log of y. So this will be dv divided by dx. ठीक है, यह इस इक्वेशन में त्राओ वैल्यू. So this is equation star. So using du divided by dx and dv divided by dx in equation star. So therefore we will have, so what will we have? du divided by dx का value, what is that? x raised to power y -1 into y plus x raised to power y into log of x into dy divided by dx plus what is dv divided by dx? This whole thing y raised to power x -1 into x into dy by dx plus log of y is equal to 0. ठीक है, ऐसी में वैल्यू करूँ dy divided by dx, dy by dx, ठीक है, लिहाजा थाओ dy by dx करो यमो दो टर्मो मज कॉमन, रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स करो होर ट्रांसपोज. So it will be x raised to power y into log of x, ये मज dy by dx, ये मज dy by dx plus y x minus 1 into x, यमो दो टर्म्स को क्या dy by dx कॉमन, dy by dx, ठीक है, रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म्स ट्रांसपोज कीजिए वहाँ. सो ये टर्म गई होर शिफ्ट विद माइनस, इथे पे गई यह टर्म गई होर शिफ्ट विद माइनस. सो दिस विल बी माइनस x raised to power y minus 1 into y minus log of y, minus log of y. नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स में क्या गई dy by dx ये dy by dx वैल्यू कड़ ये टर्म क्या गई होर ट्रांसपोज. दैट मीन्स विल हैव dy by dx is equal to minus x raised to power y minus 1 into y minus log of y divided by x raised to power y log of x plus y raised to power x minus 1 into x, ठीक है. सो दिस विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ dy डिवाइडेड बाय dx. समझ आया वहाँ लिखिए 13 करवा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 लिखाऊं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 ना 15 ना क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 हाँ वो जल्दी जल्दी हाँ. सो cos ऑफ x अम सैसे क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 ती क्लियर है. सो cos ऑफ x रेज पावर y इज इक्वल टू cos ऑफ y रेज टू पावर x, ठीक है. सो अगेन फंक्शन रेज पावर फंक्शन इसलिए को डायरेक्ट टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड dy by dx. सो टेकिंग लॉग बोथ साइड, सो इट विल बी y log cos of x is equal to x log cos of y, x log cos of y, ठीक है. यहाँ भी प्रोडक्ट रूल एंड दिस साइड में, इस साइड में भी प्रोडक्ट रूल. सो इट विल बी y फर्स्ट फंक्शन यहाँ log of cos x, 1 divided by cos x, ठीक है, 1 divided by cos x की इंटरनल डिफरेंशिएशन विल बी दैट माइनस sin x, ठीक है, plus log of cos x as it is, log of cos x into differentiation of y, what will be that dy divided by dx, ये go left hand side is differentiation complete. अब right hand side में again product rule, x log of cos y is क्या ही 1 divided by cos y, cos y is here can internal differentiation, what will be that minus sin y, मगर पद गई सीध y is internal differentiation, that will be dy by dx plus log of cos y into guys x की differentiation, that will be 1, ठीक है. so x क्या नियम करूँ dy by dx, simply value of dy by dx. so this will be y minus sin x divided by cos x, this will be minus tan x plus log of cos x into dy by dx, ठीक है. निम साइड इन dy by dx टर्म जो सु करन सती योर शिफ्ट. सो दिस विल बी माइनस sin y by cos y, व्हाट विल बी दैट माइनस tan y, ठीक है. x चुस मल्टीप्लाई सॉन ऑन योर शिफ्ट कर, सो इट विल बी प्लस x tan y into dy by dx is equal to log of cos y करो ये शिफ्ट, ठीक है. सो ये करो वो ये टर्म अगर इस होर करो ट्रांसपोज, सो माइनस y tan x, व्हाट विल बी दिस, ये होर करो शिफ्ट, सो दिस विल बी प्लस y tan x केमुक वैल्यू करो dy divided by dx. सो इन दो टर्म्स में से dy by dx कॉमन निकालिए, सो इट विल बी dy divided by dx, सो इट विल बी log of cos of x plus x tan y is equal to log of cos y plus y tan x, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स में क्या करो ये सोर होर डिवाइड. सो dy by dx is equal to log of cos y plus y tan x divided by log of cos x plus x tan y. So this will be dy by dx, ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 छा हावनी ज़रूरत, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 छा हावनी ज़रूरत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 देखिए, हेकवा करित क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 आत लगे तो डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्ट रूल कैन हाउ बो क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 देखिए जल्दी सो इट इज x into y is equal to e raised to power x minus y e raised power x minus y ठीक है so x into y product rule like direct so differentiation of x कैसे y की differentiation dy by dx plus y कैसे into differentiation of x that will be 1 is equal to e raised to power x की differentiation चेस पता that is e raised to power x minus 1 x minus y e raised power x differentiation e raised to power x से मगर पद गई internal differentiation का d by dx of x minus y d by dx of x minus y so it will be again x times dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to power x minus y dy by dx differentiation of x k 1 minus so it will be 1 minus dy by dx 1 minus dy by dx ठीक है so this means x into dy by dx x into dy by dx ये टर्म अगर इस ये थाओ ठीक है so ये टर्म करो ये टर्म y करो इस होर शिफ्ट ठीक है बट वन गई गो कत e raised power x minus 1 सहित मल्टीप्लाई माइनस टाइम्स e raised power x minus 1 dy by dx सो करो योर शिफ्ट सहित सो इट विल बी प्लस e raised power x minus y into dy by dx is equal to e raised power x minus y अति ठीक है ये y गई होर शिफ्ट सो दिस विल बी minus y so dy by dx common निकालिए so it will be dy by dx into x plus e raised to power x minus y is equal to e raised to power x minus y ठीक है कहाँ पे 1 minus dy by dx को ना गणित यहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई e raised power x minus 1 पद क्या कूरी यहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई ठीक है ये इम साथ योर करो शिफ्ट बने प्लस ये माइनस e raised power x minus 1 into गई dy by dx इम साथ योर करो शिफ्ट यी ना विद नेम साइन माइनस नेम साइन गई प्लस सो dy by dx अब dy by dx किसके बराबर होगा e raised power x minus y divided by x plus e raised power x minus y ठीक है इस x plus e raised power x plus y अत है कोई वैल्यू दित क्या x into y थे ठीक है x into y so it will be dy by dx e raised power x minus y that will be xy minus y divided by x plus xy ठीक है x plus xy अगर वो कॉमन करो हिर y बुन x so it will be y into x minus 1 नीचे x into 1 plus y cancellation गैसेस न किन so this is it dy by d number 16 find the derivative of the function given by f of x is equal to 1 plus x 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised power 4 1 plus x raised to power 8 ठीक है अच्छे अमुक डेरिवेटिव करुन and hence find f dash of 1 then we have to find f dash of 1 गोने चीज करुन क्या f dash of x पर क्या चीज करुन we have to find f dash of 1 गोने करो इस f dash of x ठीक है f dash of x 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised power 4 1 plus x raised power 8 1 plus x raised power 8 again अगर show your function in the right hand side this is expressed as the product of 4 functions ठीक है अगर इस आप प्रोडक्ट रूल करो अप्लाई तथ केस गई लेंथी ठीक है सो ये करो सॉल्व तेल कम सहित बाय टेकिंग द लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड्स so it will be taking log both sides so it will be log of f of x ठीक है log of f of x कत बराबर आइस log of 1 plus x डायरेक्ट कर प्रॉपर्टी ती अप्लाई log of 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised power 4 1 plus x raised power 8 by repeated application of log of m into n is equal to log of m plus n ठीक है इसे कोई लिखित log of 1 plus x square log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x raised to power 4 plus log of 1 plus x raised to power 8 ठीक है सो अब डिफरेंशिएशन कीजिए log of f of x is differentiation log of f of x 1 by f of x into into d by dx of f of x. What will be differentiation of f of x? F dash of x. ठीक है रात वुचना इस रिजल्ट log of f of x is differentiation चासा f dash of x divided by f of x. So log of, so it will be 1 divided by 1 plus x. 1 plus x square is क्या plus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 2x is guys internal differentiation, that will be 2x. X square is guys internal differentiation, that will be 2x plus 1 divided by x raised to power 4. ठीक है 1 plus x raised to power 4. X raised to power 4 is guys internal differentiation, 4x cube plus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to power 8. X raised to power 8 is guys internal differentiation, that will be 8x raised to power 7. 8x raised to power 7. ठीक है, this is we have to find f dash of x. ठीक है, so therefore f dash of x कत बराबर है सी f of x गैस होर शिफ्ट. ठीक है, इस पर करान ये f of x is 1 by v. ठीक है, इस ना होर करना शिफ्ट. So it will be f of x into this whole thing 1 divided by 1 plus x, 1 divided by 1 plus x plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube divided by 1 plus x raised to power 4 plus 8x raised to power 7 divided by 1 plus x raised to power 8. ठीक है, now f of x, what is value of f of x? So f dash of x into f of x is 1 plus x plus 1 plus x square 1 plus x raised to power 4 1 plus x raised to power 8 into this whole thing. ठीक है, ये सोरे गैसेस यातन multiplies में into this whole thing. So this is f dash of x, but we have to find f dash of 1. ठीक है, this is f dash of x. यम पचेस करूँ क्या f dash of 1. That means we have to put x is equal to 1. ठीक है, so for x is equal to 1, f dash of 1 is equal to, ठीक है, right hand sides में या जाए x का नजर ता जाएगा 1 replace करूँ. So it will be 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 square, that will be again 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 plus 1. ठीक है, divided by 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus कुछ जाए x से जाए 1 करूँ replace plus 4 into 1 plus 1 plus 8 into 1 plus 1. ठीक है, and then you have to simplify this. So this will be 2 into 2 4 into 2. ठीक है, 8 into 2 16. ठीक है, 16 into what will be this 1 divided by 2 1 divided by 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2. ठीक है, इन पर एक बार सिंप्लीफाई करिए. ठीक है, so write down question number 17. Differentiate x square minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 in 3 ways mentioned below by using product rule. Product rules में है कि तो पान त्याग करिए था. You can treat x square minus 5x plus 8 as a first function, x cube plus 7x plus 9 as a second function. By expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. ये क्या शुद्ध करूँ प्रात एक इस टर्म हम क्या टर्म से multiply. ठीक है, यानी x square is got का से x cube plus 7x plus 9 से multiply minus 5x x square x cube plus 7x plus 9 से multiply 8s x cube plus 7x. यानी simple से multiplication तो करें, multiplication करें ये simplification करें तो polynomial ये ताकि polynomial से differentiation करें. 3 मंच by logarithmic differentiation. ठीक है, so logarithmic differentiation it will be log से apply करना both sides. So it will be log of x square minus 5x plus 8 plus log of x cube plus 7x plus 9. ठीक है, क्यों ना करिए. So अब question number 18 देखिए. If u, v and w are functions of x, if u, v and w are functions of x, u, v and w are functions of x, then show that we have to show d by dx of, अगर इस differentiation करो में 3 function है ना, 3 function on product, so it will be u into v into w, u into v into w, that is equal to v into w du by dx, v into w du by dx plus u into w dv by dx plus u into v dw by dx. ठीक है, टर्म कर में और योर आता है ठीक है, u into w du by dx, u into w v into w du by dx, u into w dv by dx, u into v dw by dx, ठीक है। सो सिंपल चेस रिपीटेड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट रूल ये अप्लाई करूँ, ठीक है। अस वन बोन in two ways, first by repeated application of product rule, second by logarithmic differentiation, ठीक है। सो आखिर हाब कौन सा logarithmic और repeated application of product rule हाँ। So we have u into v into w, so this will be differentiating this with respect to x. Agar x u v w is three functions such that we have the product of these three functions u v and w, then we have to differentiate that function. Ashu haवन के use image differentiation जो तास मज क्या है जो फंक्शन गसन यल एक फंक्शन है डिफरेंशिएशन, ठीक है। देखिए u v w v तो भी w चा यल गुमुत, v तो भी w चा यल गुमुत du by dx, बेक्स मन क्या u तो भी w गुमुत यल u तो w v is dv by dx, बेक्स मन गुमुत u तो v यल dw divided by dx, dw by dx, ठीक है। सो we simply have to see the repeated application of the product rule, ठीक है। अम खतर क्या करो इस विल ट्रीट, अगर इस ऑल्टरनेटिवली करो इस करो ये फंक्शन ट्रीट एज अ फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड w एज अ सेकंड फंक्शन, ठीक है। गोडनी करो ट्रीट एज अ फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड w एज अ सेकंड फंक्शन। सो अप्लाइंग प्रोडक्ट रूल, फर्स्ट फंक्शन गल यानी u into v गल दोम फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन, इट विल बी dw डिवाइडेड बाय dx प्लस सेकंड फंक्शन गल यानी w गल into w गल into differentiation of, देखिए u v गया u into v गया into differentiation of second function, what is that dw divided by dx plus w गया, ठीक है, w गया into so w गया into d by dx of u into v, ठीक है। so d by dx of u into v, first function yell into differentiation of second function plus second function that is w, so guys yell into differentiation of first function क्या है u into v, so it will be now u into v into d by dx plus w से multiply, but then we have to see the differentiation of u into v, like na product rule, first function yell yani u guys yell into dv by dx plus second function v guys yell into du by dx, ठीक है, du by dx, so this will be now u into v into dw by dx, w से multiply कीजिए u into w dv by dx plus v into w into du by dx, ठीक है, du by dx which is this thing, ठीक है। अगर तुम टर्म वुचन सूद करियत मैनिपुलेट करियत, so you will exactly get this thing as answer, ठीक है। सो इथे पे हेकियो तुम लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन सहित प्रूव करियत, ठीक है। सो एक्सरसाइज इज डन नाउ।